small boy. Come.
Might go on this guy is calling small.
Come, don't be like that. Come.
Good afternoon, sir.
Afternoon. How are you? See, small boy, see that shop where they go there, go buy me one bottle of beer.
That's sure.
Yes. Yeah? Oh, yeah, man. Buy me one bottle. Yes, that shop. You know the see? Go straight now. Go fast.
Okay, sir.
Go one, Ochi one.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
How now?
That guy over there, give me one bottle of beer.
That one?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, bottle of beer.
Yeah.
To be mumu.
But you said I hear you.
Yeah. Thank you.
How far now? Come now. Never give me money.
Oh, sorry. He said I should tell you that when he's returning the bottle, he will give you your money. That is your customer.
Okay. Oh, that guy. Yeah, my customer. Okay now. Read that for me.
Now for you, small boy. Go to school. Where my change?
Sorry, sir, I forgot to tell you.
See why I call you small boy.
No. He said that you are his customer. And when you are returning the bottle, he will give you your change.
Okay, no problem. Hey, where this man? Okay, have fun now.
Bros, now you.
Yo, long
You don't
time.
go.
I don't go.
You don't really tell.
No be lie, yo. More person don't hustle. I don't say I collect one bottle and take it myself. So how far now? My change.
You say change again? Change? Me and the well, you give me money now.
Wait,
That small boy now. He can't say that time when you did it. Say you tell him make he come bring beer. Say if you return bottle, you will bring money for me.
Okay, what you they talk, sir?
I dey tell you now.
You know who I be?
Yes, I know you. These are my customers. I don't feel like you.
No, you know who I be?
I know you now.
So what you got the talk now?
Boss, I know you.
Person why I give 1,000 say make you come buy me one bottle of hero. He say when I return bottle I go collect change. What did they do you?
Now, even you do that.
I give am more. What did they do you?
Take a video.
You don't know.